Well, that's a nice stack of Royal Doulton bone china, isn't it? Sonnet is the design. These are the 6.5-inch side plates. Let's show you over a couple of them. Very fine condition, as you can see. Occasional knife mark. They're not an absolute mint. They have been used, but they're very bright nonetheless. And as you can see, we like to show you them in a stack where we've got multiple of these, so you can get an impression of how good the gilt retention is around the rims, because that tends to take a little bit of wear in its daily use. But these are in very, very bright condition. Royal Doulton Sonnet china marks, there we go. Black crown and lion marks with Sonnet H5012. China marks and some lines were produced in green. There's absolutely no difference we can see in terms of dates and quality of the two different factory coloured stamps. They're identical in all other regards. We've got, I think, 15 or 16 of these, maybe 18 going on sale. When it comes to measuring these, they're just over 6.5, but not 6 1/8 inch. They're just intermediate, these. So they're always listed as 6.5 inch. And the next size up on the dessert or salad plates, I think, comes in at around 7.5 inch. So it shouldn't be any confusion that these are the side plates that go with the teacups and saucers or the coffee cups and saucers that we're also listing. We're selling these individually into the replacement market. Sonnet was an extremely popular design for Royal Doulton and sold very well. So there's still large services that come out Christmas and Easter in English family houses where these are used periodically, and you may want some additional place settings this year. We've got a large set being listed, so do have a browse through on the website listing. See, we should have pieces that you're looking for, I hope. Thanks for watching.